Hey, it's Scott from Samcart, and in this video, I am going to be revealing for the very first time one of the biggest features we have ever created here at Samcart. Like Brian has been saying, over the past week, we have seen a ton of people in our community struggle to build successful online course businesses using the current platforms available. Many of them are overpriced, they're difficult to use, and they silently cost you tons of sales because they were designed by people without the knowledge of what it takes to build a 6 or 7-figure course business. Which is why today we are excited to introduce the newest addition to Samcart. Introducing Samcart Courses. When it comes to building 6 and 7-figure businesses online, Samcart has always been the most trusted platform for accepting orders, because we focus from the very beginning on features that make you more money. Features like the Samcart Affiliate Center, which helps you build an army of salespeople to sell your products for you. The Subscription Saver, which automatically saves recurring sales for you around the clock. Cart Recovery, which automatically brings back people who didn't buy at first glance, helping you win back lost sales while you sleep. One-click upsells and order bumps, which double or triple the value by convincing them to add more items to their cart. And even though our focus has been perfecting that checkout process, we decided that we couldn't just sit by and watch so many of our course creators lose millions of dollars in sales a year because of their current course platform. After digging into the numbers, we found out that on average, 30% of students who buy an online course never even get into the members area to begin watching the content they purchased. We also found that the average customer support team was spending between 5 and 10 hours every single week helping students with issues related to simply logging in or resetting their password. And we found that course creators are losing up to 50% of their revenue because it's damn near impossible for current students to see other courses they don't own yet and easily buy them. These problems lead to support headaches, lost revenue, and huge missed opportunities to build amazing relationships with your students. But the good news is, we built Samcart Courses from the ground up to solve each and every one of these problems. And starting today, you can easily create, sell, and deliver a beautiful online course right from inside of Samcart. So let's go ahead, dive in, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, so once you're inside your Samcart account, creating a course is a breeze. Just click the button to create your first course, give it a description, and provide a featured video or image. Each course can be organized into different units with individual lessons inside. The lesson is where you get to teaching, where you can easily deliver video, text, images, and even audio files to your students. So you have the flexibility to teach however you would like. You can add downloads wherever you need them, so students can grab that worksheet and fill it in as they go through your training. Or they can download that bonus checklist you provided, or use the resource pack that you put together for them. You can easily organize your course into different tiers, which lets you have 2 or 3 different versions of your course available at different prices. So imagine being able to easily turn your course into silver, gold, and platinum levels, where people have to pay more for exclusive content and resources available only at those higher tiers. You also have the ability to drip out your content on certain days of the week or over a certain amount of time. So this lets you guide your students through your course, one lesson or one unit at a time. So if you want to launch a new 30-day challenge with a new lesson coming out every morning, you can do that with just one click. Or if you want to hold back certain units or lessons until after a customer's free trial is over, you can set that up in just minutes. You can even create simple quizzes at any point during your course. This simple feature makes your course more engaging, and it gives you so much insight into how your students are learning. Plus, it is also a great way to help limit refunds. Next, you can offer custom worksheets where your students get customized fill-in-the-blank guides that can help them get through your course faster with better retention and deliver better results for them. Once your course is ready to go, you get 3 powerful ways to start making sales. First, you're gonna get a beautiful course library page where anyone can see all of the courses you sell in one place. Next, you'll get a course overview page where people can learn more about a specific course and preview all the amazing content they get if they purchase. And lastly, you can set up a beautiful sales page using dozens of done-for-you pre-written templates that you can easily customize with Samcart's drag and drop editor. And that is where you can put your sales video, testimonials, countdown timers, and more, and get the full suite of what Samcart has to offer when it comes to helping you sell more products. So anytime you have a new idea for a course, just load it up with one of these templates and watch the sales start rolling in. After someone buys your course, this is where Samcart Courses really starts to shine. We've developed a brand new auto-enroll technology, which will instantly put your newest students right into their course so they can get started and get value from you without having to deal with a complicated login process or password resets. So instead of frustrating 30% or more of your students, you won't frustrate a single one. And if your students bought more than one item, they automatically get access to everything right away, right on the spot, which means less confusion for your students and a stronger community for you. Plus, with the creation of course cross-sells, you could see up to 25% boost in your sales because all your students will finally be able to go on shopping sprees from right inside your members area. Once your students are in their course library, Samcart saves their payment information on file, which lets them purchase all of your other stuff with just one single click. Your members area will become a massive new profit generator for your business. Your students will never have to dig around your site for other products again. They'll never have to go back through your homepage and back through page after page after page in long, complicated funnels again. And they'll never have to go through a long, drawn-out checkout process again. This new course cross-sells technology is one of the most exciting inventions we have ever developed, and it has the chance to change your business overnight. We've been getting calls around the clock from people begging to get their hands on this new technology. So here's the deal. On Thursday, June 17th at noon Eastern, Samcart Courses will be released. We'll send you an email that afternoon that will provide all the details about how to get it and what it costs so that you can get started ASAP. So stay tuned to your inbox and get ready to unleash a whole new way to build 6- and 7-figure course businesses online. We'll see you then.